all rise, everybody, let us all stand up with hearts full of joy to welcome the stars of this evening. The couple whose love story is a testament to forever. Here they are, Totoy and Tita Corvina Cornelius. Isang masigabong palakpakan po. And blessings. Let us all bow our heads. Mamahal nila sa isa't isa. It's now time to light the candle of the cake of their mama and papa. Can somebody assist us po? Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, Precious. Ayan. Masyadong mahangin ba? Alright, Daddy Totoy and Mami Tita, please do the honors in blowing the candle of the cake. While they're doing that, let's all sing the happy birthday song for Mama Nene and Papa Tantoy. Everybody, let's sing the happy birthday